Hi guys, good afternoon. It's practice running day today. It's Sunday and I just woke up. Medyo masarap yung tulog natin this Sunday afternoon. Kaya magsi 6K run tayo tonight. So warm up muna, I'm walking. I'm about to finish my 4K walk. So after 5K, pwede na ako mag-start to run for my target distance of 6K. So yun po yung target natin for today is to run 6K. Wala naman tayong target speed, it's fine. Relax running lang muna tayo. What's important is we're able to hit 6K. Okay? So always remember to stay active for you to be able to stay healthy. Papawis pa more. And God bless everybody.